Good morning, Year 2. Hope you had a lovely weekend and welcome to Monday's spelling lesson. So, today we're going to be looking at a particular spelling pattern. Have a listen to these words and write them down. What do you notice about them?
Wreck is your first word, like in the word shipwreck. Your second word is wrist. Hopefully you noticed out of those two words, both of them begin with the sound r. But it's a bit tricky because we hear r, but we write the WR grapheme. We're going to write those two words together to have a closer look at this week's spelling pattern. So, sound it out with me. R, e, k. I know that the r is from that W, R spelling pattern. Now I need my e, my caterpillar letter, then another caterpillar letter for the k, and I know it's the CK digraph at the end, so I also need my nice tall K. I could put my sound buttons on to help me read it back. R-e-k, wreck. Now let's try the next word. The next word was wrist. Sound wrist out with me. R-I-S-T. Let's try wrist. I know it's from the WR digraph. I-S-T. Remembering that our T isn't quite as tall as the other letters. I've added the sound buttons and I've done the WR in different colours to help me remember what this week's spelling focus is. You might want to do the same when it's time for your turn. Okay, time for your turn. Have a look at this picture. Think about our spelling pattern. What could the word be? See if you can sound it out as I write it. So we know the WR is R. Then we've got A and P. It's not a sandwich, it's a R, A, P. Wrap. Now that you've said it, sounded it out and read the word, it's your turn to write. So first we've got our W, which is a zigzag monster letter. So we go down, up, up. Next, we've got our one-armed robot. So from the top, down and bounce back up. I know quite a lot of you have got these handwriting lines. You might want to use them today. If not, just make sure that you're writing your small letters nice and small, keeping them the same size. Not like that one. If you do one like that, you can just put a nice little line through it and try again, just like I have. Right, your turn. Now you've done the WR, let's have a go at writing the whole word. So we need our W and our R, our one-armed robot. Now we need our caterpillar A, all the way round and down to the line, and then a P, remembering that the P is a descending letter, so it comes under the line and then back up. Once you've done it once, you can have another go at writing the same word. If you'd like to challenge yourself, then you might want to have a go at doing the joins. W to R is a horizontal join. So we go across from the top of the W to the R and then down and bounce back up. Then we can join A to P using a diagonal join. Remember, we go under from the A to the top of the P and then down and bounce back up again to form the P correctly. Hope you've had a really good go. Right, another your turn. So this time, look at the pictures carefully and choose your Chili Challenge. Chili Challenge 1 is to look at the pictures, think about what each word could be and sound it out. Chili Challenge 2 is to write them down. And Chili Challenge 3, think about what else the word might be. Is there a suffix you could add to the word that you've come up with to change it? Remember our spelling focus. If you hear a R at the beginning of the word, it's spelt W-R. How did you get on? These were the words that we decided. Did you get any of these words or did you get different words? Perhaps you had a go at Chili Challenge 3. So we started with the word wrap. You could have added that ER suffix and made it into wrapper, a different noun. Or you could have added the ING suffix and made it into wrapping. I was wrapping my friend's present. Or perhaps you looked at the word wrinkle and added the ly suffix to make him a wrinkly dog to describe him, or wrinkled with that ed suffix. How many other words did you come up with? I can't wait to see your ideas coming to our Year 2 email address. Right, to finish today's lesson, I'd like you to have a look and read through your spellings for this week. They all have that WR grapheme in them.
Well done for today. Come back tomorrow where we'll be playing some games and having a look at Spelling Shed. Bye!